The new Tennessee law could help save a lot of lives.
The Tennessee Bar Association began pushing for this legislation this year, and it would delay when the public is notified about a divorce filing. Family law attorney Justin Thomas is here to explain why getting this legislation is so important. Justin, welcome back to Live at 9. Always good to see you. What exactly would this do if it's passed?
Well, generally it just creates a delay of about 10 days until the divorce is actually published in the newspaper. Most people don't realize it, but divorce filings are published in the daily newspaper each and every day.
So why is that important?
Well, for safety. There are a lot of times when people, not a lot of times, but many times when people file divorces and they ask for extraordinary relief, maybe an order of protection or some sort of injunction to keep the other spouse away from them because they're fearful of that person. Well, if they can read in the paper and see that their divorce has been filed prior to even being served with the complaint for divorce or the order of protection, that creates issues. That's what they're trying to avoid.
When it comes to state lawmakers, any type of feedback from them, do you think there will be any pushback?
I don't think there will be pushback. I mean, I think a lot of attorneys don't even understand why it's published in the paper to begin with. A lot of people view it as being a private matter, and so why is it even published to begin with? Certainly, looking out for client safety seems to be in everybody's best interest.
Sure. Is this a state-by-state type of issue here? Is it perhaps different in neighboring states such as maybe Arkansas, Mississippi?
It is a state-by-state issue. I mean, each legislature takes care of their particular divorce and child support laws, so it is a state-by-state issue.
Okay, and until this is passed, if it is this session, are there anything someone could do to try to get the protective order before they file? Or, I mean, does it have to? Is there anything somebody could do to try to protect themselves?
Well, I think it just comes down to planning. I mean, you have to sit down with your lawyer if you're in one of those situations and formulate a plan. You know, you're going to get the complaint filed and make sure the person gets served timely. Again, I think a lot of times people don't read the paper and they're not looking for divorce filings in the paper, but a little planning can go a long way in making sure somebody gets served quickly.
When it comes to formulating that plan, do many people actually take the time to actually do that or even know about it, you think?
I think so. I mean, I think if there's really dangerous situations, and I've had some clients in those situations, the order of protection is still just a piece of paper. So practically, it provides protection under the law, but it's still just a piece of paper, which is not a protective shield. So you want to make sure you take steps so that those people are protected practically, not just with a piece of paper.
All right, very cool. Glad that the Tennessee Bar Association is looking into this. Expectation is it will be passed this session?
I think so, yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Right. Here is where to find Justin and his colleagues at Thomas Family Law. Appreciate your insight.
All right. Thank you for being here.